front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this tablet. First of all, click on Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Finally, you can get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then click on iOS Launcher and tap on Always. Finally, just click Got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But if you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, scrolling down and tapping on Apps and Notifications. Then click on Default Apps, click on Home app and tap on Smart Launcher. Self-RMS click, Smart Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!